guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Hey guys, this is just going to be a really quick video showing you how I revert my protective style. And I know a lot of people have a lot of questions about reverting a protective style. So what I mean by reverting my protective style for my hair, these are natural kinky twists, which means there is no hair added. So when I'm putting my protective style in, I blow dry my hair. I'm not sure if you guys have seen the process that it takes for me to put my waist length hair into a mini braid, mini twist, kinky twist protective style. I will leave those videos linked down below. But when you blow dry your hair and your protective style was not applied with a water-based product, your hair does not revert. So that allows my protective style to last a lot longer and look a lot fresher longer than a lot of people's protective styles. So when I say I'm reverting my protective style, that means that I had applied heat before, I didn't use any water-based product, and I hadn't washed my hair to revert my protective style. Now when I revert my protective style, if I have braids in, my hair tends to look a little longer than when I have twist in, because your twist will swell up a little bit bigger than your braids depending on the size of your braids. But this is my secret to keeping my protective styles in a lot longer, is to start out on blow dried hair, freshly detangled, freshly washed, blow dried, and then about a month into the protective style, then apply water, wash your hair, apply your water-based products, because once you introduce your natural hair, your natural protective style to water, your hair is not going to have the length. It will not be frizz-free any longer, and you're asking yourself to get frizz after you wash your protective style. So this is how I revert my protective style, you guys. I do my same old wash routine that I would do if my hair was not in kinky twist or mini braids or mini twist. I thoroughly make sure my scalp is shampooed, making sure that I get all the buildup off of my hair. If I feel like my hair needs a protein treatment or a deep conditioning treatment, or if I need to do a bentonite clay mask, or if I need to do whatever my hair needs, I can still achieve those goals of putting nutrients into my hair, because this is my hair, is not coated with synthetic hair. So all of my hair is getting the benefits that it needs from the product. So here I am actually deep conditioning my hair. I'm gonna follow up with my DIY oil. You guys, I always put my DIY oil on my hair. I will either blow dry my hair if I'm doing a protein treatment, or I will put a plastic bag on my head and sometimes stand there maybe 5 to 10 minutes while that sit. I will use my electrical heated cap if I need to speed up that deep conditioning process, and then I will just follow up with either a light leave-in conditioner or my DIY leave-in conditioner or a DIY oil to seal my hair and to make sure that my protective style stays moisturized. When I have twist in my hair, I try not to mangle my twist too often, because it will start locking on itself. So I really try to be a lot more gentle with my hair when I'm going through the wash day process, so that I don't get too many flyaways. But for the most part, my hair does okay, unless, you know, I'm not being too careful with my hair. So this is the end result. As you guys can see in the beginning, my hair was a lot longer. The twist didn't look as swollen, even though I'm going through some shedding problems and trying to grow my hair back thicker. But this is what my twists look like. As you guys can see, I know I'm moving my hair around, but my twists look completely different than what they did in the first video. So that's what I mean by reverting my natural or my protective style with my natural hair. So yeah, I really hope this video helped you guys with understanding how my protective style last and look so fresh for so long. I literally avoid water as long as I can, and then when my scalp is telling me, hey, I need water, I need to be washed, then I wash my hair, and then I will rock my hair in the reverted state that is in, and I embrace the frizz. I don't do my edges. I embrace what my hair looks like at this stage, and then when my hair grows out and I can no longer see my parts, then I will go in and rebraid one twist or one braid at a time. So I really hope this helps you guys. Leave comments down below if it helps you, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.